So it's been a good start to the month, if I'm honest. We've had a few 25s. We've had a few massive moves on Wall Street. What else have we had today? We had GBP USD has done 30 pips. GBP CHF has done 20 odd pips. Euro CHF from yesterday's been up and below entry levels. AUD CAD gave us 30 pips. AUD USD gave us 25 odd pips. All trades are still live. Let's see what we've got. So as you can see here, well, as I can see here, whether you can see is another kettle of fish. But I can see here we have a really nice elementary school W. This is the first zone. And it's where it should be. So, this is the first. Remember, it's a three move pattern. We can see 3 days here. We can see we're in consolidation. Just want to see the price break above there and continue. And that's that. Let's in all those. So yeah, we like that a lot. CHF, JPY, top formation. 1, 2, 3, just finishing off its top. I'm not trading that either. NZD, JPY, this is looking good. If we get a pass up here tomorrow, I'm long. It really is as easy as that. This looks really nice on the cycles. You've got 2 clear cycles below price, and we're just making higher highs and higher lows. This is push 1. This is push 2. I don't think that's push 2 because it's not, because it's within here and we haven't cleanly broken. So yeah, looking at this, it may be a bit of a Gartley going on there as well. But yeah, I like it. Have a look on the half an hour. We've got 2 days of rise. This is absolutely plum. Eureaka, middle of consolidation 1, expect higher prices. Note the harmonic moves in yellow, the yellow internal small one. I expect higher prices. It's the middle of the range. You shouldn't really be trading in the middle, diddle in the middle and all that, get caught out. So I'm not going to touch that until it shows me more. AUD, JPY, for me, that's a top formation. This is the low formation. In between, we've got the 2 moves. If I zoom in a little bit, let's see what we can see. So it looks like we're trying to fight back a bit here. Bearing in mind, we spoke about the potential for this being high, 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 low. High, high, higher, low. Really, really could be that move higher, albeit it is a Gartley. We are changing this configuration here internally at the minute. We're breaking above, closing below. I'm not going to get too drawn to it unless we break above here. So for now, pass. GBP CHF. Now this is a really nice. I wish I could copy, but for some reason the bloody computer won't let me. Oh, it has today. It's let me copy today. Okay, great. So, whoa, what am I doing? I want to move that to there. I want to move that. Give me more space for the charts. But I can't. Yes, there we are. What a difference. So we've got a 3 harmonic move lower. This is 1 harmonic, this is 2 harmonic, this is 3 harmonics. Forget the wicks. What else can I see here? I can see 1, 2, 3. That's why we took a long, because we have this set up ultimately. There is also a larger ABCD at play. So we do have a larger ABCD at play. Can't really show it on here. But yeah, we're in a nice zone. That's it. We've done our numbers on this one anyway, minimum style. Let's just have a look on the half an hour what it was showing. What was the lure for the fish? Well, the lure for me was simply price action on a lower time frame. Now, you can see the double bottom there quite clearly. You can see the double bottom, but price is held between here and here. So you've got to be careful, but we did see high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. And we saw it again here, and I took the long on the push through here. So we only got up to there so far, but it still looks quite good. And yeah, I mean, it's still back to entry. ADNZD, middle of the first zone lower, and again, trying to push higher, but at the moment, selling off. We will keep an eye. There is a Gartley variant here, A, B, C, D, lower high, higher lows. So price is chopping and concentrating. USD, CHF, we're in this guy anyhow. First, second. Obviously, this is early, but you can see the three harmonic, 1, 2, and 3 to the low. You've got the three harmonic to the low. You can see the 1, 2, 3 to the low. The third leg with a bit of a 1, 2, 3. All these subtle little things. Probably expect this to make a double bottom, but either way, we've done quite well on it. NZD USD, again, lower highs. Not totally sure. First cycle, second cycle, peak, first cycle higher, much like GBP CHF. Difficult one to comprehend ultimately. I'm not going to get too caught up in it. It's not clear. It's there to play tricks on you, really, because there's a lot going on here. You got the anchor. You got A, B equals C, D, which is mega powerful. And look what it's done. It's already moved away from there. But me knowing the ABCDs and after seeing 3 pushes counter trend, this is either going to retest the high, but I'm going to pass on trading that. CAD JPY, let me turn off this window. CAD JPY is in a peak as well, like all JPY pairs, notice that. USD JPY all in a peak. CAD CHF, price is below that completion of D, but it's still very strong, and therefore there is every chance that price is going to react and move up from here. GBP AUD making an aggressive move higher. This is the second cycle higher. We know where we are. We're looking for longs. But in order to get long, you need to see a harmonic to set you up for that long. A, B equals C, D. What can I see here? 1, 2. Expect the third. GBP USD. Now, we took this one as well today. Why did we take it? Well, because we have to understand the context of where we are in the market cycle. We're in the first cycle higher. We're seeing high highs and high lows internally. We're seeing high highs and high lows externally as well. When we zoom into a lower time frame, you can see that there's some really nice structure. We've got an A, B equals C, D, bringing us down to this area here. You've got a double bottom. You've got the first shift, you've got the second shift, and we got in long, I think it was around here, 75. Got this move, really nice, happy with that. And expect high prices. This is a second day of rise, and that's that. Euro AUD, this has really started to motor away. Just missed the completion of the harmonic. Just missed the completion of the ABCD Gartley. This is the second cycle higher. Looks incredible. Euro CHF, again, trying to make that initial move higher. This is what we're long for. This is a generational trade. If this is the low, you're getting it for the next 10 years. Level 1, level 2, peak 1, 2, clear 3 now. So this really is the zone for it. We're in it already. Let's keep going. A few more AUD cap. Now this one is testing a little bit at the minute, but you can definitely see the 3. 1, 2, 3 to the low. 1, 2, 3. Didn't expect this to happen as such because this is one of my more bullish setups. But let's have a look closely what's going on the daily. So you can see we have the pattern on the way down and on the way up and down. And at the minute, we're actually waiting still for level 1 to show. I still believe that this is level 1 rise. We're still waiting for the consolidation zone, which should be up here. Over the 800 at the minute, don't get me wrong, what can we see? You can only use what the tools are in front of you. I can see 1 and I can see 2 clear pushes, maybe 3, but this is still level 1 rise. So the rules on the EMAs are off the 200. So target entry is there, ultimately long. Euro GBP, again, and ultimately long. These are the lows of consolidation too. Notice the break and change. This is a big W. 1, 2, 3 makes 1, 3 and 1, pull away. high, 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 low, potentially. We need to keep an eye on it. Gold, here we go, the second cycle higher on the, there's a huge super trend high. This is sort of an intermediate one. But notice what you have, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. 1, 2, 3 to the high, fall back. Is that it? Is that the third push? No, because it hasn't cleared here properly and we're still within this wick. So I do expect high prices there. AUD USD, we did have a super A, B equals CD with a CD leg extended, gave us this move here. Now, this is a big short and it's starting to play out like NZD USD. I've got a 1, 2, 3 to the high and we're pulling away. I do expect a retest of the high at some point, hence that ABCD setup. But this is textbook stuff. We're looking to get short. We haven't seen our entry yet. There hasn't been a clean entry since the new year. The way we have sold off has been, well, drop, 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 and then obviously the pattern's reset here and it's going to give us a drop, drop, drop. And, you know, we need to get short. Difficult when the market's not giving you that opportunity. GBP, JPY, peak, pass. Euro NZD, again, like Euro AUD, the harmonic is holding up. The ABCD didn't materialize. So far, I can see an M top and I can see a 1. Maybe this is too lower, but if we get above here, I'm going to be forced to go long. Euro USD, notice what you can see, high, high, low, high, 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 low. Looking for longs like we did with GBP USD, which was for the harmonic, for the premium group. We've got Euro JPY here, pass. AUD CHF, spoofing. This doesn't look like any sort of convincing bottom. This trap move here, this false move, sorry, here is telling if we get above here, because that really would trap everybody. So there we have it, ladies and gents. If you are interested in being a part of this service, which is a trade signal service operated by the chap who runs Mellon's Trade, which is me, but in a regulatory manner, please reach out. And yeah, otherwise I wish you all the best. Thank you.